Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify brand story visuals for Mailchimp campaigns, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering all visuals associated with your brand story. Ensure you have your logo, images, and graphics ready for review. Open Mailchimp and navigate to your campaign dashboard. Select the specific campaign you want to enhance with your brand visuals. Click on the Design tab to access your email layout. Look for the section where you want to insert your brand story visuals. Upload your logo first to establish your brand identity. Ensure the logo is clear and high resolution. Next, add images that represent your brand story. Select images that resonate with your audience and reflect your brand message. Check if the images align with your overall color scheme and aesthetic. Adjust the placement of each visual within the email. Make sure that visuals are not overcrowding the text. Review the text surrounding the visuals to ensure they complement each other. Utilize alt text for each image to improve accessibility and SEO. Before finalizing, preview the email to see how the visuals appear across devices. Pay attention to loading times, ensuring visuals don't slow down the email. Conduct a test sent to a personal account for a final check. Open the test email to verify that all visuals display correctly. Check for any broken links or missing images. Evaluate the overall flow and coherence of the brand story visuals. Make adjustments as needed to enhance visual harmony. Once satisfied, proceed to schedule or send your campaign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.